Gentlemen, let's talk about something many men avoid. Erections. Too many believe losing firmness is inevitable with age. I'm here to tell you it's not. Most erection problems come from things you're doing every single day. Habits that damage blood flow and nerves. Today, I'll share the 10 mistakes that silently destroy your erections, and the last one could save your life. Ignoring persistent ED. Never assume weaker erections are just age. ED is often the first warning sign of cardiovascular disease, sometimes 5 to 10 years before a heart attack. If you're struggling, check blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Catching problems early can save your sex life and your life. Smoking and tobacco. Never smoke. Every puff damages the fragile lining of blood vessels, making them stiff and narrow. Less blood and weaker erections. Quitting smoking is the #1 way to stop vascular damage and restore firmness. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting all day reduces nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes vessels for erections. Cardiovascular exercise, brisk walks, cycling, jogging, restores circulation and reverses mild ED. Poor diet. Fast food and sugary drinks clog your arteries. Think of plaque lining those tiny penile vessels. Switch to a Mediterranean-style diet. Olive oil, lean protein, vegetables, whole grains. It fuels your erections and your heart. Excess weight. Abdominal fat creates inflammation, raises blood pressure, increases diabetes risk, and lowers testosterone by converting it to estrogen. Even 5 to 10% weight loss can restore hormone balance and erection quality. Low testosterone ignored. Never ignore low libido or fatigue. Low testosterone amplifies ED. Get total and free testosterone checked. If levels are low, safe therapy under medical care can restore drive and energy. Stress and mental health. Stress floods your body with adrenaline and cortisol, blocking erections. Anxiety, depression, even performance pressure create a vicious cycle. Managing mental health with mindfulness, counseling, or partner communication is just as critical as diet or exercise. Medications. Some medications, blood pressure drugs, antidepressants, prostate meds, can worsen ED. Never stop them on your own, but always review with your doctor. Often, safe alternatives exist that don't impact erections. Dangerous supplements. Gas station male enhancement pills? Never. Many hide prescription drugs in unknown doses, dangerous, even deadly if mixed with heart meds. Stick with legitimate doctor-prescribed solutions. Ignoring pain or trauma. Never ignore pain, curvature, or trauma. Peyronie's disease starts with unnoticed scarring. And if you ever hear a pop with swelling and pain, that's a penile fracture, a surgical emergency. Early care prevents permanent damage. Your erection is a barometer of your health. By fixing these 10 destroyers, quitting smoking, moving more, eating better, managing stress, and getting medical care, you can restore function and protect your life. Don't ignore the signs. It's never too late to change. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share with another man who needs to hear this today.